Hello everyone, and I'm making a video about my birdie. She's right, she's right here. Say hello to the camera. I'm not holding her intensely because that would kill her. I'm just like letting her hold on to my fingers, but like I can't let go of her because if I let go, she's gonna start flying everywhere. Look at her, she's way too cute. They keep on making my mom's sister and dad keep on making like chicken jokes about her. And I'm over here. She's just so cute. My sister says the chicken fell off the plate. I grab her and I'm like, yeah, the chicken did fall off the plate. Oh, and face reveal. If you can even get my face. This bird hates me. I don't even think you guys can see me. Okay, so this is gonna be the end of the video, and goodbye.